Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make spirulina juice step by step. This vibrant, nutrient-rich drink is simple to prepare and a fantastic addition to your daily routine. We'll start by gathering the essential ingredients and equipment. You'll be surprised how quickly you can create this healthy beverage right in your own kitchen. Let's get started with the basics. Now let's get to mixing. Begin by adding your spirulina powder to the blender. A good starting point is 1 to 2 teaspoons, but you can adjust this to your preference. Next, add about 1 cup of filtered water or another liquid base. Then, incorporate your fresh fruits and vegetables, like a crisp apple and a couple of celery stalks, for added flavor and nutrients. For the best spirulina juice, achieving a smooth consistency is key. Blend all your ingredients on high for about 30 to 60 seconds. If the mixture is too thick, simply add a little more water until it reaches your preferred texture. For a zesty kick, try adding a squeeze of fresh lemon juice or a small, peeled piece of ginger before blending. This enhances the taste beautifully. Your delicious spirulina juice is now ready to enjoy. For the freshest taste and maximum nutritional benefits, it's best to drink it right away. If you have any leftover, store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator and consume it within 1 day. Spirulina is packed with antioxidants and may help boost your immune system and support heart health, making this a truly beneficial drink.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.